Here we are, bright and early Sunday morning, follow-up video to the previous upload. I have the bow tie painted. It looks great. So we're going to get ready to put it on our new stripe here. And I'm also going to take the front bow tie off. So thank you guys for clicking and watching this video. Let's go ahead and get it started. So we're going to start by removing the front bow tie. I'm not going to go in detail about everything because I already have a video on this on the channel. So see the thumbnail popping up down below. Go check it out. But we just got a flashlight. We got an extension here, ratchet with an extension with a T25 Torx bit and a magnetic thing here to reach if we drop anything. So I'm going to go ahead and try to angle this down in there so I can see. You got 2 screws on the back side. So what I like to do is send this through first so I don't drop the bit, and then put the bit in the thing. Now I was just trying to see. Take my hat off. So I got the front bow tie off. I'm still undecided on whether I want to paint this crushed orange or not as far as the chrome trim like I did the rear bow tie. So let's go ahead and set this down. Let's go ahead and install that rear bow tie. All right, so here's our bow tie. Turned out great. So let's peel. There's our bow tie. Looks great. So we got this little piece I made in the last video to kind of tell me how high to put it. And there we go.
Yeah, I'm feeling myself. Ain't no chance I'm coming down, no.
But there you go, guys. I think it turned out great. I actually really love the look. To me, when you look at it from a distance, it kind of gives it like a superhero mask effect look to it, kind of like Robin's mask you see popping up there. Kind of what it makes me think of. But yeah, I really love it. It looks great in my opinion. I probably will, after looking at the whole car in entirety, will go ahead and paint the front bow tie and put the front bow tie back on. I feel like if you have the one in the back, then you should probably have the one in the front as well. So yeah, I will get this one painted up, and probably in the next video you'll see this one on the car painted up. So yeah, guys, hope y'all appreciated the video. If y'all like it, go do it to y'all's, man. I think it looks great. So yeah, go check out the website, www.jcscustomshop.com. Got a lot of stuff going on and new products all the time being added to the shop. So feel free to reach out through messages, YouTube, whatever, if you have any questions. So until next time, guys, appreciate you guys watching. Peace out.